Alright guys, welcome to the next bit of this unboxing, and as you can see here, this is going to be a little bit of a troublesome thing, because they don't usually just open like you'd like. I'm not a fan of these packages, so I might have to just cut it open, which is what usually happens. In these situations, you just have to cut right through, and yay, hooray. Not, as I said, not a fan of these things, because you could easily just cut your fingers, and really not that fun. I do not recommend you cut your fingers. And this is, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, do I love these unboxings. There, something like that. Something like that.
Likey.